Learn Bosnian fast. What is, equals.
Šta je?
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the curiosity superpower. What is? In Bosnian, that's.
Šta je?
Say it with me.
Šta je?
Nice. If you don't know, don't fret, just say.
Šta je?
And you're set. Your goal today. By the end, you can confidently ask about any mystery object, short, sweet, and useful. Break it down. What equals?
Šta
Is equals.
je?
Together.
Šta je?
Two handy variations you'll love.
Šta je ovo?
What is this? And.
Šta je to?
What is that? Opposite pattern for answers.
Ovo je.
This is. And don't mix it with, who is, which is.
Ko je?
Mini dialogue. Let's drop you into a Sarajevo market with a smile and a tiny mystery. You point to a shiny copper pot.
Šta je ovo?
Vendor grins. It's a Bosnian coffee pot, a.
Džezva.
The heart of strong coffee vibes. You nod, curious again, pointing at a tool.
Šta je to?
Friend whispers. When in doubt, just say.
Šta je?
Pronunciation beat. Time to groove the sounds into your memory. Clap clap, stomp stomp.
Šta je? Šta je?
Now slower, crisp, shish, in S.
Šta je?
One more time like a tiny chant.
Šta je? Šta je?
Gesture and culture. Use your body language and you'll sound instantly natural. Gesture tip. Shrug shoulders, palms up, tilt your head, and say.
Šta je?
Culture tip. On museum tours in Sarajevo, students politely ask guides.
Šta je?
When something looks unfamiliar, curiosity is cool here. Quick quiz. Ready to prove it? Quick quiz, answer out loud. Which Bosnian phrase means, what is? A.
Šta je?
B.
Gdje je?
C.
Ko je?
Answer. A.
Šta je?
Complete the question for, what is this? Say.
Šta je ovo?
True or false.
Šta je?
Means, what is? True. Lightning drills. Fast raps make it stick, follow me. Point at any object near you and ask.
Šta je ovo?
Online chat mystery item. Type.
Šta je?
See a strange logo in a video? Whisper.
Šta je to?
Flip it to an answer.
Ovo je.
Plus the name you learn. Memory hack. Let's lock it in with a simple ritual and a smile. Loci method. Put a sticky note on your fridge that reads.
Šta je?
Every time you open it, ask the question in your head. Mnemonic. Shish, after a quiet pause, then ask.
Šta je?
Bonus humor. Imagine a dictionary looking in a mirror saying.
Šta je?
And laughing with you. Word bank in your pocket.
Šta
Equals what?
je?
Equals is.
Pitanje.
Equals question. Wrap up. You did great, curiosity unlocked. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Šta je? Šta je ovo?
And.
Šta je to?
All day. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. See you next time, and stay curious.